If you want to turn on notifications in Microsoft Edge, I'll walk you through it step by step in a quick and easy way. This is really useful if you want websites to ask for permission before sending alerts, updates, and important reminders straight to your browser. So whether you're trying to receive notifications from a web app, a news site, or a work platform, this guide will help you get that set up correctly. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. From there, select Settings. This is where all of Edge's main browser controls are located, including privacy options, site permissions, and notification settings. After you open Settings, look at the menu on the left side and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls how Edge handles your browsing data, permissions, and security-related features. It may look like a lot at first, but we're only focusing on one specific area today, so just follow along carefully. Next, scroll down or look through the settings until you find Site Permissions. Click on that option. Site Permissions is where Edge stores all the controls for things websites can request from you, like your camera, microphone, location, and of course, notifications. This is the section you need if you want to manage what websites are allowed to do in your browser. Once you're in Site Permissions, click All Permissions. This opens the full list of permission categories Edge supports. From here, you'll be able to find the exact setting for notification access. If you've ever wondered where browser notification controls are hiding, this is the path to get there. Now locate notifications and click on it. This page controls how websites can send you alerts through Microsoft Edge. At this point, you should see the main notification permission option. Turn on the toggle next to Ask before sending. When this setting is enabled, websites will need to request permission before they can send notifications to your browser. That means you stay in control and can decide which sites are allowed to alert you. If the toggle is already on, then notifications are enabled properly and Edge will ask you before any website sends a notification. If it's off, turning it on should restore the prompt behavior and help you manage notifications more safely. You can also come back here anytime later if you want to review or change permission settings for specific websites, and that's it. You've now enabled notifications in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and now you can control which sites are allowed to send alerts. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and helpful browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.